Good day, friends, and welcome to Wisdom on Wednesdays. You know, in Proverbs 30, it speaks about 4 things that are very small on the earth, yet exceedingly wise. And then in verse 27, it names one of those 4 as the locust. And it says that the locust do not have a king, but yet they move in rank. That's actually amazing that wisdom is here equated with the locust, that even though they don't have a leader, they are moving in rank. And the lesson for me that I can learn from that is that every one of us, we need a team, we need a community, and that's why they move in rank. The locust does not move in rank with the ant. They move in rank with other locusts. They have this deep, wise conviction that they need to move in the same direction as the ones that they are encircled with. My question to myself and to you is, in wisdom, who are you surrounded with? Where is your team, your community? I'm not talking about friendship here. I'm talking about people that you are aligned with, people that you are pulling together with. Sometimes your personalities are not even the same, but yet you are in a team. I heard the captain of the Springbok junior team that won the World Cup just recently in the week. They asked him what is the secret to their team. And unexpectedly, no one expected the answer. He said, love and happiness. You see, they have a common goal, and that is that they are working together in a team, and they want to love one another and make everyone happy and move forward in alignment. And they won the World Cup. My question to you is, where's your team? Who are the people that you walk in unity with and are aligned with? One last thought. It does not mean that it's easy to be aligned with them, but there's a deep conviction that aligns you with them. Well, friends, God bless you. See you next week on Wow.